road पड़े हाँ. This road is the only road going up to the with the garbage on top. So all the truck, all the wet, leached or wet garbage जो तरी हाँ इलिशी liquid हाँ, it falls everything सकल पड़ा तो इता. So every year we have this problem of all the water which is there of coming down and going on the road and people falling on the road. Now this area, don't forget, is in Margaon constituency, or rather Patarda and Margaon constituency, but not in Gurdwara constituency. Last time there was big noise about people from Kurtoring coming, they calling themselves so-called leaders, saying that I am responsible for all this. I don't want to name them, but it was me who took up the issue with municipality for the last 6 months to put up one trap here. So municipality put up one trap here. Still after putting one trap here, the water is still coming down. So I got one trap myself done, and I told them, you just construct, I will give you a trap and put another trap here. So whatever water that will be coming here will be going inside this drain, and whatever, let us suppose something comes up, because what happens, this is a climb. The moment there is a climb, the truck tends to bend like this, and the wet garbage falls on the road. We are trying our best, but I just want to say that coming and criticizing me, this should be okay. Doesn't help. This is not part of my constituency also. This is entire responsibility of Margaon municipality as well as part of Fatarda. Because our garbage is not coming here. It is Margaon and Fatarda garbage that is coming here. I don't know whether those fellows who are shouting on rooftops here, saying that I am responsible, is want to contest in Fatarda instead of Kurtoring. They think this is in Kurtoring. So I am reminding this is but in spite of that, because my people who are here are falling down, I have taken responsibility myself. I took upon the responsibility, and along with my people here, and I said we will construct a drain here. This was for the last 6 months. I am after them. I have now done another one. So this time I hope it doesn't go. I have still told the municipality, put some mud from here to here, so that even if something overlaps, doesn't go right after. Plus we are going to put one small speed breaker here, because I personally watched while going up, still it comes. This is a tool, this holes are too small. So somehow comes up to here, So we have put another one. Let's hope this time we don't have this issue. Yes. There has been a problem. Not leached, it's waste, wet waste, which is in the truck. Sometimes it comes, because what happens? This is a slope. A slopache zatach. Can't help it. These are genuine problems. Or we have to divert this road and we have to take the road somewhere that side.
When you say that this falls under Margaon, so Margaon is a responsibility because
No. See, take it that tank lagna thing. Tangiel lok asna, amgiel lok ita. Tangiel lok Margaon's looking na. So am kitras jata. But
आता काम केला ते कोणी तुम्ही केला तुमच्या पैशाने
ना हे म्युन्सिपालिटीन केला
ओके
तेही म्युन्सिपालिटीन केला बट ते हे हांवें दिला
वयल्यान कवर
हय तें हांवें दिलां कित्याक जाती तूं बेगीन जाय न्ही कित्याक पास पडपाचो आहा 2 दीस आनी 2 दिसांनी पास पडटलो हांव फर्स्ट ट्रेन जाश्टी पयलीं आय वॉज मॉनिटरींग काल पास पडत मग काल येयला आनी मॉनिटर केलां कित्याक इन केस तर पास पडलो काल तेसा राती डायवर्ट केला ते रोडान वयतलें ताका लागून काल इंस्ट्रक्शन दिलें म्युन्सिपालिटी बाबा उगडी मात घाल्या तें जाल्या राती कडेन सो वी आर फॉलोइंग
प्रॉब्लम
हय सॉल्व जायना जाल्यार नाजाल्यार हें कट करता आनी एक बुराक वाडयता हो एक बुराक वाडयत रावता दॅट इज ओन्ली ऑप्शन हो हिंग हाडपा मेळना जाल्यार तेजी वचपाना बट हो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करपाक जाय जाल्यार दिस टायम एडिशनल हें ब्रेक करता